Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another mini unboxing. This time it is from BZZAGENT or BZZAGENT. If you guys don't know what BZZAGENT is, it's kind of like influencer. You sign up, you tell them what you like, and then they ask you for your mailing information and you get stuff. So here are two things that I received from BZZAGENT. I'm going to open up the bag first. I actually received like 4 or 5 different emails asking if I want to try different things, but this is the 2 things that I received this week from them. So it comes with a little paper here. So this time they sent me the COVERGIRL True Naked Queenship. I think this is a shadow stick. Yeah, it's a cream shadow stick. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what my COVERGIRL True Naked Queenship cream shadow stick looks like. So they actually sent me the shade 920 Freebies. I can't pronounce that word. That one right there. Anyways, let's open it up and see what it looks like. I've never tried a shadow stick before. Well, maybe I have like a long time ago. So this is what it looks like. It's like a nude color. It looks shimmery. Here, I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Oh, that's really pretty. It kind of looks like a highlighter. So this is super pretty. So I'm super excited to try this product out. That was the only thing they sent me in this bag. Now onto this box here. So this is what it looks like inside. So it also comes with a paper with information of how to review this item. And they sent me a sample of the Yves Saint Laurent perfume. It's just like literally a sample. This is what it looks like. I'm going to open it up. And this is what the little sample looks like. Well, the packaging. I don't think I've ever tried a perfume from Yves Saint Laurent. So this is what it looks like inside. And here is the perfume. It's super cute. It's so tiny. I'm going to put it on my wrist to see what it smells like. I'm not sure if it has like this soft flower scent or what. I don't know. I'm bad at describing scents. Okay, so it is a floral scent, so I guess I am pretty good at scents. It says,
it is the first floral lavender for a singular trail like a breath of freedom. The iconic orange blossom flower from Morocco. A luminous and sensual white flower twisted by the lavender from France. An ambitious flower often considered as masculine, bringing boldness, freshness, and texture.
So yeah, I'm super happy that I got this sample. I do like carrying a small perfume in my purse or like when I travel, so I'm super happy that I got this and it smells so good. So that is everything that I received from BZZAGENT this time. Let me know if you guys have tried BZZAGENT. What have you guys received? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.